name's Julius. I'm a rising senior. I go to Carrillo High School in Long Beach. And the summit I found out through my 10th grade math teacher. After coming here and going to the workshops and seeing what it was really about youth justice and learning about it, it was actually pretty interesting. One of my favorite workshops was Reframing from the Past and Moving on to a Future, which taught us about how to take your fixed mindset into a growth mindset and being positive and using self-talk to encourage yourself to bring yourself up, which I thought was a really good workshop for youth nowadays, because youth nowadays think about depression, anxiety, embarrassment, all this stuff, and suicidal thoughts. And I think having a growth mindset and being and empowering yourself is the way to grow basically and become a different person and help yourself in society, help the system, help anything what you want to do basically. And yeah, I had a lot of fun meeting people from different places and engaging with them, being in the dorms, and yeah,